init ng panahon. So, after magwalwal, kain tayo ng ice cream. Itong binili ko is melon ice cream. Kadalasan is vanilla ice cream. So, we're going to eat this one.
Ang daming flavor ng ice cream. So, sa susunod, nakita ko kasi yung grapes. So, sa susunod naman is grapes naman yung titikman ko. Meron ding strawberry, tea. Kakaiba yung tea, color green pa. Sige, kain pa more lang. Takan pa more. Sobrang init kaya ang sarap kumain ng ice cream. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Follow for more.